Hi, I'm Heinbach and it's good to have you back. Many of you want to know how I discover the odd things I show on my channel. 60% it's just browsing through auction websites and seeing what's on there. Not looking by keywords, just lazily scrolling around. And then I come upon things like this. And here we go. Okay. Stimmgabel Modulator Tuning Fork Modulator STG 102 by Bauknecht. Apparently this has been used for avionics, but I'll get into the background of this a little bit later. Let's just see how it all works and if it does work. Turns on. So the output is now connected to my mixer, but I'm careful about this switch because, as you can see, this goes up to 40 volts output. This would fry my mixer. This is too hot a signal. Open up the master. Oh, that's a nice sign. Another. Ooh. It's not the mixer. That's the output. That's overdriving here. Let's add some effects. Two notes, maybe three if you count the overdriven notes, ain't much, but you can do a lot if you've got effects set up. But how is this tone even realized? And that's where the interesting part of this unit lies. It's electro-mechanical, but I think therefore I have to open it up to show you. As you can see, this is a vacuum tube driven device, and that explains the gnarly distortion we get from these aging tubes. But the main sound source is this chunky tuning fork that resonates at 30 Hz. There are electromagnetic pickups here. These will put out a 90 Hz signal and a 150 Hz signal. What is the use of having an oscillator that can only produce two frequencies? Well, tuning fork oscillators are used where you need absolute precision. For example, in clocks that employ a quartz, which is a tiny tuning fork. And this unit, according to all the stickers that are on here, was used by the Bundesamt für Flugsicherheit, the Federal Office for Flight Safety. The eBay seller I got this from got feedback from someone that explained its function a bit more. This unit was used to generate modulation signals for the artificial horizon, angle of descent, and distance from touchdown point in an instrumental landing system after the VOR ILS GS standard. I don't have much of an idea how this was set up in the context of an automated landing system, but when I talked to Look Computer, he of course pulled out a gyroscope and was like, so maybe for something like this. And I was, yeah, maybe. This is technology that is obsolete since decades, but I find still there's very beautiful musical uses for this, even though it's just 3 notes that come out of this. Even without employing sampling to play this polyphonically, which you can do easily by heading over to my Patreon and getting high quality samples of this unit and music from this video. Thanks for your support. This is a tool that I find inspiring. When Dennis Weirs, aka the modular accordion, came by, I knew this could be the perfect bass for a track. Sometimes you just need a 90 Hz or 150 Hz note to go with your track. That's it for this video. If you have any more questions, do leave in the comments below or visit the subreddit. Thank you all for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.